Ki nongelam jongka HSPDP hendek sengi ke lelej ban IT ya kejing jingmut jongki sya ke expert committee habai dai berka bha tungkam tungjam ha kejela. Habakren bat kinong to akubor u general secretary ke HSPDP u pan boran tatyang ulai itu bak sengkala terwa ban jingmut sya ke committee ban langbe ne combine prapo persen syabaro ki khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo. Habai day bat ki district level ka sengkala terwa banai khandai po persen sya ki khasi Jaiñtia bat khandai po persen sya ki Garo. Kamtam habai day bat ki district. Shushu ka sengkala terwaru sya ka komiti ban wengno ya ka bha kerpang. Kata ban ra sya ka weipat ka snem ya ka bha thungkam lada kimla ban thepkam ha kata ka snem. Nakalyang jong ka sengkala terwa badai ban wengno bat ban tap comeback tang ha kata kesnam ban carried forward ha ka tin pareng ya kabha thungkam
suggestion untuk ka reception policy temtar sing lawan man ai pu strictly habai di ka reception policy te ni kamilon ni sibot ki mat ni tang santri point ya ka bangila ashwin ka committee ka ba mentak sing
Laban batai ki suggestions ki pipi
ki suggestion tang santri IP le ko sing IP ka soft copy te kum ko party kum ngila don ko manifesto bangin revise ya ka reservation policy te kum taru hani ko point ka ba ka je ajimu jungi ko longban combine 40% or 50% ya ka ba for both khasi Jaiñtia and Garo in order of merit habide ka no ka kajing kam sarkar bide exam no but da ka combine 40 to 80% in order of merit come to do away 40 for khasi Jaiñtias 40 for Garos combine kata ka suggestion ka bani ko ngi ai kan ba kan create ki healthy competition no among the educated employee youth no number 2 hagabide but ka office memorandum jo ka 18 December 1972 hagabide but miki come up district level post kapati ko suggest kana 4% namta ki khasi Jaiñtia apo district khasi Jaiñtia hills 90% for khasi Jaiñtias in district of khasi and Jaiñtia hills and 90 whereas 90% namta ki district tanta ki Garo kuma Garo and the Garo ki khasi and khasi 90% oh. Number 4, hagabide baka paradu juga resolution. Kadon kini ke kini bomba ladador ke deficiency kumakalong hapo manchupuli kumakadon nepo resolution mo. If there is a deficiency in the number of scheduled tribes and scheduled castes, shall be carried forward to the next recruitment year and made good in the recruitment of that year. Kapag dijingi suggest me to do away the process of carried forward. Kapamur kalong ba on the particular year lada kanu ka sarkar ka khot pan apply kam le ban thap kam no le ban penep ang usna without the process of carried forward taka diga point number 4 but the most important point was number 5 nakana ka party hagabi ka state reservation policy January 12 new year ka allocation of seats for the academic careers allocation of seats for academic careers in terms of khasi Jaiñtia and Garo mo kamdan ko nung proper indication habi di ka percentage marks te nakali ang party ngimdan iban ang haling issue ka pa yung ko committee bakan relook into the matter ti kumakalong mata nung kadon la ka percentage ti khanang banwan ra eta ka efficiency but eta ka combine 80% at ay kanil di ko winning important points ka baka ni ajung mo sa committee bakan pet bahay kani khanang panum kya silang apreng kiniki lightly khasi Jaiñtia Garo
combine na bin baca kono 40 kumbolo mensna minta kono 40 plus 40 kono 80 ke
80%
kono 80% for khasi and Garo
and khasi Jaiñtia and Garo
khasi Jaiñtia and Garo
kamde di away combine
Munda syukur bahak terpang sokau Garo
combine tak satu combine kamde ban pak arpang kabut in terms of efficiency to create a healthy competition on implement kumta
kamut kamdan syok kan ka reservation gamut bapi ombait bakan
khasi dah Garo.
80% kan debit khasi Jaiñtia Garo.
Garo, yes.
Kanam dan shu long based on tribes kan.
Based on kanam dan chu. Apa pramangi te?
And akanu ka durba piwan ra egani ka suggestion I mean based on
efficiency. Pi dengan pipet bagi resolution gang. Nyawan ra egani ru. Ba ton chui thu ipi mo. Te pipet bagi ketika resolution ko bang kena party ngila pet dunia mo. Te pipet ketika para ketika sentence ke baar kapong it has now been decided ketika resolution mo kung ka January 12 mo kenika dong kenika lain ni boong keeping in view the inadequacy of representation of these communities. Pi hang to ngingi pe ketika communities means khasi Jaiñtia Garo mo. Marhagi tigi por pin kama shua ka state hot jungi ni kan mau kat pin khana tigi por ki officer ka ribun bambe khasi ki Assamese ni Bengali any non khasi. Then more tak na hone kalong very clearly hone inadequacy of representation of these communities in the services on the atmosphere of Meghalaya. Mo hani ka balan ka ba khamsha po ong with the maintenance of efficiency and administration. The number tak na is amba the number tak na is amba 40% to bring healthy competition and efficiency in the administration of the government services. Kadi na katay kabanta.
kamut kadi tang apo the state level at the district level but piong
At district level ni wala ka jong 9% at kung katu ka resolution jong ka kani office memorandum jong ka party December 1972. Kani ni ala ka jong kutu la ka jong iklam ipin ko lang. Pindapat ka hakani ka copy jong ni government Meghalaya ni personal kani pin page din do copy pin do office memorandum to abai di ka district lang ka jong.
kamut 90% pi
90% for khasi Jaiñtias and 90% for Garos. Separately.
Syas berapa tapi.
Oh, ini I-90. At episode 2 mahal itu ka efficiency mana mga warna ay balik kong in terms of these communities mo ada mahal itu.
they don't pat kini ki way pat ki political parties ki ong
They are all one ngilong kaway de khasi Jaiñtia mandaro. Niklam ya fair. Even Garo is a part of Meghalaya. Khasi Jaiñtia and Garo is a part of Meghalaya. We cannot deny the fact. Ngilong kaway de. Ano kan menta?
em ka ekam amut ban kali na ba Meghalaya is known to have 3 tribes.
Which day?
3 tribes ki ong apo Meghalaya dai na
Oh.
khasi Jaiñtia and Garo. Te mentapat kadon ka suggestion ka ban ong bait ba penjak no igi Jaiñtia de be ban itu igi kum one community bidan ni bano.
Ang imdan e kada banong rekum ka party ngiyang kum katang nong khasi Jaiñtia and Garo. Ini.
Khasi Jaiñtia kadai hi banlong kumta naru kan session jong faring kawan hagani gali agni grilum khasi Jaiñtia jong tin pe nya kat khandai spa khat pas pa lai pulai no le thu yingi kum ka khasi Jaiñtia agency United Khasi Jaiñtia district mo naru por faring por asam por Meghalaya ndar dera kan tekni along uta
Kini
Suggestion ngila ada ai. Kasong aga expert committee man rahita.